Hello. So last night I've taken the night bus to Mysore, and yeah, I quite like taking night buses because of course it's more expensive than normal buses, but it's transport and accommodation at the same time, and you just sleep a bit and you're already there, although it's like 8-hour trip. So yeah, but the bus has been so cold, been so freezing all the time. Yeah, and I have to wait until 11:30 until I can check in. I arrived here at 7:30, so I've walked to the area where all the palaces are, but the palace also opens only at 10, so I have to wait a few minutes. Yeah, I think I'm also gonna grab some breakfast. Yeah. And by the way, Romy and I now had to split up because she's just got way more time than I do, but we're gonna meet up in a few months again, I think, or hope. And yeah, but it's quite sad, and I've got nobody to take photos of me anymore. But yeah.
Coming from?
Germany.
Germany. Take picture. Come friend blessing. Come friend blessing.
Huh?
Come friend blessing. Blessing. Head blessing. Head blessing. Head blessing. Yes. Give the money elephant.
Okay.
Give the money elephant. Hello. Give the money elephant. Give the money. Give the money elephant.
Money? How much?
Give yourself. You want sitting?
I just got spat by an elephant. Oh god. But the guys who rode them had elephant hooks. Yeah, they also asked me to ride them. Of course I wouldn't do that. But I had to give them 20 rupees. Actually 100, but I only gave 20 for touching them, the elephant. Yeah, whatever. I've never been asked for so many photos before, like in this palace, and only by men, and I always refused because I was told that it's possible that they could show it around and tell them, oh, I've slept with her, or this is my girlfriend, or something like this, or even for photo montages. So I always refused taking photos with men. Some men were just accepting if I said no, sorry, but some men, they were so rude. They kept trying to get me to their group selfie without asking me, or without accepting that I said no, and I thought it was so rude. Yeah. But at the end there was a really cute family with a lot of children. They all wanted to take photos with me, like group photos, and yeah, with also single photos with the little kids. This was actually quite cute, so this is something different, but yeah, what happened in the past was quite rude, I think. the sleeper bus right now, and it's a non-AC sleeper, which looks like this. And those are double beds, and mine is okay. You can't see nothing, but mine is just a small, really small bed for one. And I've been at the bus station, which was written in my ticket, and then they called me and said and asked where I am, and it turns out they didn't come there, so I had to get to the main station, and actually they should have already left, but no, they're still standing here and still not going, and seems like pretty much the only one in here. There's just one more bed, which are some backpacks, so yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna survive this ride. Hey there, I've arrived in Gorkana this morning, and here's also a hostel like in Chennai, and the hostels are always very, very nice, but it was already overbooked. But I'm now in this hostel, and it has only got rooms, but down there's also a small kind of restaurant and bar, which is open for breakfast and in the evening, which is also quite nice. And we've got an awesome ocean view, how you could just see, I hope. And yeah, it's really, really hot. I hope I can just take time here to do some work and relax, because there's not more to do. Because there's not more to do than going to the beaches. Yeah, but the beach is supposed to be very, very beautiful. So, yeah. But now I'm firstly gonna eat something.
So it's gotta have to do something with one of those. Yeah, I mean not.
Okay, I've had some food now, and it's already 6 o'clock. I've done literally nothing today. I had to sleep this afternoon because I was so tired after that bus ride. Yeah, but I'm gonna check out the beach now.
I think we started something, gonna tell the world again. Oh, you're so beautiful, I just can't hold it in. I think we started something, I hope it never ends. I hope it never ends. Don't tell me that the good old days are over. We're two hearts running wild. On and on, we'll move a little closer. We don't have to burn out in the fire. No, we don't have to burn out in the fire. I wanna know, what are you waiting for? I wanna know just what you're waiting for, and you should know you're so beautiful. So let me know just what you're waiting for. I'm staring at my demons. No, I ain't looking back. Oh, what do I believe in? The past is in the past. Gonna steal.
Hey guys, I hope you can see me properly and hear me. I know I haven't been vlogging that much last days. At least I haven't been really talking to you. But yeah, I've met really, really nice people in the hostel in Gorkana. We're going on day trips all the time together. And right now I'm at the beach, and we're gonna sleep at the beach tonight at Paradise Beach in Gorkana. And yeah, we just got some food, because at Paradise Beach there's one spot where you can get food. It's not even a restaurant, like they prepare everything on like stones. Hard to explain, I don't know. But yeah, it's supposed to be not that good, so we went to the next beach, which was Half Moon Beach, and we got some food there and got some food for takeaway for the others. And yeah, right now I'm waiting for my friend because he went back to get some beer. Yeah, and we had to climb up all those cliffs. I hope you can see that. Yeah. And when we went there was still light, and yeah, now it's dark and it's not gonna be that funny to get back. I hope I'm not gonna die. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I've got a lot of fun here with the others. Yeah.
Pay back the love we borrowed. We'll hope it never ends. Don't tell me that the good old days are over. We're two hearts running wild. On and on, we'll move a little closer.
So I'm now on my way back already to our hostel where we've left our luggage. And yeah, tonight or this evening we're gonna go to Goa, and yeah, for our Holi festival. And yeah, this night has been ridiculously cold. Luckily we got a blanket from somewhere else, but we just slept on the sand with on canal blanket or a sand sheet or beach sheet. Yeah. Yeah, but otherwise it was very nice and nice to relax. And yeah, this whole stay in Gorkana was just for relaxing because you can't do anything else than going to the beach. Yeah, but it was quite nice. And actually I wanted to use the time more to get some stuff done, cut some more videos and so on, but yeah, the company was just so nice, all the people were so nice, and I'm gonna meet a few people again in Goa in the same hostel, so yeah, I just prefer to be in good company. Yeah, and I will always find some time to cut some videos, so yeah, I just wanted to enjoy my time.
I want